The incredible journey from discarded coconut husks to soft clothing officially begins. Moisture content is good, looks clean.
All right, load approved for textile production.
The flow rate on conveyor 3 is spiking again.
Adjusting the feeder speed now. Keep an eye on the moisture levels.
The husks now move through large washing drums with high-pressure water jets. Digital sensors monitor the water quality continuously.
Look at the uniformity here. The extraction is working perfectly.
Agreed. This batch meets the textile grade standards.
The natural coconut fibers enter long stainless steel washing channels, where multiple cleaning stages remove remaining dust, pith, and impurities.
The temperature and concentration levels are optimal across the board.
Excellent. The fibers are showing the expected softness. Let us prepare for refining.
Strength and length look good.
Batch 47 is approved for spinning preparation.
The blended coconut fibers feed into massive industrial carding machines, where thousands of fine steel teeth begin aligning every fiber in the same direction. The blended coconut fibers move through massive high-speed carding machines, fitted with thousands of fine steel teeth rotating in perfect synchronization. Tiberis. The carded fiber web enters advanced drawing machines, where multiple fiber strands are carefully combined and...
How do the twist levels look on this batch? Consistent with the digital readout, we are cleared for spinning.
Details. The newly spun yarn enters automatic winding machines, where it is transferred onto large precision cones. Random yarn samples are transported to the textile laboratory, where advanced testing machines measure tensile strength, elasticity, twist, and uniformity. The tension on beam 7 is fluctuating.
Rerun the calibration sequence immediately.
No inconsistencies on this edge. Roll 789-001 confirmed.
Look at the density reading on loom 7.
It's fluctuating slightly, but still within tolerance. Yarns. The inspected fabric rolls enter continuous washing machines, where warm water and textile-safe cleaning solution.
The sensors show optimal moisture levels across the width.
Confirmed. We are maintaining temperature and airflow stability.
The dried fabric passes through an automatic stenter machine, where precision clips hold both edges while the fabric is stretched to its exact width.
Large fabric rolls enter continuous dyeing machines, where eco-friendly textile dyes evenly penetrate every fiber. The dyed fabric passes through long heat-setting chambers, where controlled temperatures permanently fix the color inside the fiber.
Water clarity is optimal across all stages.
Confirmed. The fabric is running perfectly clean. The washed fabric enters high capacity. children. Approved garments enter automatic folding machines, where robotic arms create perfectly folded clothing for retailers. Automatic labeling machines attach premium woven brand labels, care instructions, and size tags to every finished garment. International customer orders arrive through the factory's computerized logistics platform. Warehouse software automatic.
Shipment 47 is cleared for loading.
Confirmed. All documents are verified against the International Standards Manifest. We need clearance for the final load. Digital confirmation received. Ready to seal. Export containers arrive at international distribution warehouses where automated unloading systems begin processing the shipments. Forklifts transport the cartons into organized inventory areas. The color fastness results are well within tolerance, and the stretch test shows zero degradation. Excellent. This batch is certified premium quality. Ensure these are sorted by color before scanning.
Already done. The coconut fiber jackets are ready for approval.
This batch is flawless, ready for packaging.
The scanner confirmed the last pallet at location A34.
Yes, the WMS updated in real time. We are clear for shipment.
Verification complete. Everything checks out. Good. Lock it down. We're on schedule. International retail warehouses receive the finished garments before distributing them to fashion stores. Female store employees carefully arrange the clothing on elegant display racks.
The projections for the next hour look good. We are exceeding accuracy targets again.
Yes, the new sorting algorithm is performing flawlessly.
Pallet 34B verified. Confirmed. Seal the container. We are good to go. International distribution centers receive the clothing shipments before sending them to fashion retailers, department stores, and online warehouses.
I can't believe this is made from coconut. It's incredibly soft. Yeah.
The craftsmanship is exquisite.
Yeah. This color suits you perfectly.
The camera returns to the factory, where piles of discarded coconut husks are shown beside the finished clothing collection.
We're on track to hit 500,000 units by midnight. The new line really optimized the packing sequence. The AI projections for the weaving department are exceeding targets by 15%.
Excellent. Reroute the surplus capacity to the high-priority orders.
I've never felt anything this comfortable.
The coconut fabric really is amazing.
Container trucks transport finished garments from the factory to major international shipping terminals.
Long convoys of fully loaded trucks leave the factory gates, while cargo ships and freight trains carry thousands of containers across continents.
From endless plantations to the heart of the factory, we witness a remarkable transformation.
We need to reroute the gray fabric to line 3 to avoid the bottleneck. Acknowledged. Adjusting the flow now.